Look at the snow and the trees. Oh, this is beautiful through here. Oh, it's like a wonderland.
Huh?
Take another one.
Look at you. Hi, pretty.
Now we're at McLean State Park on the edge of Lake Superior, and we got kids playing over here. Looks like there's a patch of open water out there.
Yeah, we should walk to it.
Right? Whoa. Whoa. This is pretty cool. Here comes Julie.
Oh. Oh, I can't see.
All right, let's try this bad boy. Oh yeah. That was awesome. All right, we're in Houghton, Michigan. Houghton, Michigan. We're in Houghton, Michigan. We're gonna wait to go across the drawbridge, moving very slowly. Traffic is. It's currently 13 degrees and snowing, and you can see the lift bridge, part of it sticking up above the trees there. Portage Lake Canal. Tina's doing well over here. Right lane. Alright, so this is their house. Snow. And then if the yellow shovel is not big enough, you got the Upper scooper here. We're in Swedetown, Calumet. Swedetown recreation area. It's about 8 degrees, 7 degrees, minus 12 wind chill, and we're getting ready to go snow biking. There's sledding going on, cross-country skiing. Take your time. I'll follow you, Tina, in case you get fall over. You're good. Keep going. How you feeling? Wow, look at how beautiful this is. Are you recording? So in front of us, Pelkey is trying to get his GoPro going. Yeah, I don't think he knows how to use it. Okay, we're heading back on loop 2. We got loop 2 and loop 1 to finish up. All kinds of skiers out today. Hello. All right, downhill coming up. Oh. Woo. All right, Steve's gonna come down this steep hill. Oh, good one. All right, Tina's gonna give this one a shot. It's a little tricky. It's got a turn as an into the downhill. Yep. Keep going up the hill then. So you guys groom the trails or just do activities out here?
I'm just helping with the Critter Connector. Kate does stuff with the Swedetown Running Club.
Nice.
And,
there's a lot to do out here. So there's a deer up over in the tree there they put up. It's a critter connection. Last loop to get back. Whoa, look at that whiteout. Tina coming through. Oh, Tina's down. Huh? Your tire caught my rut? You hit the tree? The tree jumped out on her. This is scenic. Pelkey's going. Phew! Nice. Oh. We're in the home stretch. I hope. Man down. GoPro, are you getting it? Pelkey fell. Smile for the camera, Pelkey. Right at the end.
It's so thick.
Yeah. So this is how you get out of deep snow.
Hopefully.
Or hopefully get out. It's about 4 feet of powder underneath you. Yeah? Yeah, you're in solid ground. You got this. A snow angel. I'm next. Look at him go. Oh, nice.
Huh?
Take another one. Okay, I'm done.
All right, so we just finished up at Swedetown in Calumet, Michigan, and had a good time. We had about 6 miles overall. Julie, how many miles did you snowshoe?
3.1.
Wow, Julie cruised on the snowshoes 3.1 miles. There's sledders, cross-country skiers, snowshoers, fat bikers, all kinds of people out here today. And it was a good day.
Hey, look at you. Hi, pretty.
Now we're at McLean State Park on the edge of Lake Superior, and we got kids playing over here.
Kids wrestling. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Kids wrestling.
The lake is frozen over. We're gonna go down and check it out. Looks like there's a patch of open water out there.
Yeah, we should walk to it.
Right? Whoa. This is pretty cool. You're standing on a frozen wave. This is pretty epic. We're on Lake Superior, literally. Here comes Julie. You'll be a frozen popsicle pretty quickly. Oh.
That's fun.
That was going down. He got an ice lump in the back.
That makes me cry.
She went right over the hump. She probably got a good hoo-hoo bump.
Right.
Oh, I can't see.